I'm Anthony from USA, originally South Africa, and I've known Robin for about 35 years. Been working very closely with him for 25 years now, and it's been an absolute pleasure to visit his amazing factory and see all these incredible machines. I mean, 35 Haas CNC machines. Unbelievable. Never seen so many California-made machines in one shop before. But wonderful people to work with, and very excited about some new products we're seeing. And we have a customer of ours here, Brendan. I'm looking forward to see the rest of the factory tomorrow before we leave, and see some of the other incredible machines. And we've achieved a lot of results with some new products that we're introducing to the market this year and next year. And looking forward to another 25 years working closely together, and we look forward to the next future together.
I'm here in India at robinsmachines. I come from Switzerland. We have a company that rebuilt historic engines. We built some race engines, and we are looking for one from the best machines on the market, and that we found here at robinsmachines. Today I see the machine the first time, and it was impressive for me. I never see a machine in this quality, in this accuracy, and I hope we can buy other machines at Robins.
I'm so surprised with see a machine, what I've been looking for many years. I bought nearly all what is available on the planet. I bought CNC, Dilapina, I bought a switch, diamond tool, I bought all, I tried all. Nobody made a machine what I saw today in so short time. It could do so accurate and so easily. Machining, I never seen in my life. So I have to say thank you.